Any Biafra who is traveling to this Christmas hereby banned by Simon Ekpa. My people, hear the reason why you he say that the Nigerian army don't plan may they take by so many people because of they go come say na Biafra army or na resistance fighter. Because of this, Simon Ekpa don't come outside though. He don't talk say if you dey travel, you are your own. Say nobody dey there will go protect you. Yeah, my wonderful people, we'll go find out how this intake they happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today not the first time we they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you update back to back as it dey hot. The matter where we get for our hand now, be they say that Simon Ekpa don't tell people where one come back. Say may they carry money give their parents or give their people, may they no come back. He said that because they can't hot where they now. Say you know what, may they come no come die, come buy for the matter. Say me the day where they do. My people, I beg, more watch this video and more listen to this voice. And before we will come back, come talk about this particular voice where we will listen now.
Of course, must not be distracted. Our target must not be distracted. Our target is to neutralize Nigeria terrorist army and terrorists in uniform until there are no more in Biafra soil. And you must not distract us by channeling our energy, looking how to protect you, coming for Christmas. Don't come. Stay where you are. Your people don't need you. They need your money. Send money to them and leave for your people. You don't need to go home. If that's our brother who was in Germany, if he did not go, he will still be solving family problem today. He will still be sending 100 euros, 200 euros to his family, solving their problem today. But today, the family has lost their breadwinner. Nobody can send them money from Germany again. Because they want to go to village to eat nkwobi. Because some of you in village, you are telling your brothers, your sisters to come back home. To do what? At this critical time, at this dangerous time in our life, you are asking people to come home. To do what? If you are working at home. If you go after this warning that I'm giving you people today, after this intelligence that I'm giving you people today, and Nigeria army kill you, believe me, if we know that you come from abroad and they kill you, sometimes they will not even release your body. But if they release your body, your people will never ever bury that body in peace. Because these are the people that is making the liberation of Biafra difficult. What are you going home to do? To pose danger to yourself? Bring anger and agony to your people when they kill you? You can go if you want after Christmas. But you see this season is not an ordinary season. It is not a season that you have ever seen before. It is a different Christmas. A Christmas where before the Christmas, you have been recognized as an Islamic nation, Islamic state. Do you know what that means? What it means is that everybody coming home to celebrate Christmas is an infidel, and you are a target. All this Janjaweed, all this Boko Haram that you see in the military roaming around in the southeast, they are not there this Christmas to protect you. What they are there to do is to commit jihad because they know you are coming for Christmas. Christmas is not allowed in Islamic State. Nigeria is officially Islamic State. I do not want to know how you feel about what I'm saying, but this is the fact. So it is very important that I'm raising this issue today. And on the 23rd of this month, Anambra State specifically, only Anambra will be locked down. The reason for Anambra locking down is to make sure that Soludo does not bury the family member that died in peace. Because most of the Biafra people they are killing, the families have not even retrieved their body, not to talk of giving them a befitting burial. So we can never allow anybody to have state burial in Biafra land under Nigeria. That thing that they subject other Biafrans to, they will take part of it. Soludo and his family can never bury their siblings or their relative that died this Christmas in peace. We'll make sure that Anambra State is locked down on the 23rd of December because we have information that Soludo is having burial on the 23rd of December. So 23rd, Anambra will be locked down to make sure that nobody will go to Soludo's burial. So Soludo's uncle. I don't know whether it's uncle or whatever, but the family is having burial on the 23rd of December. And if they postponed it, we will postpone the sit-at-home for Anambra until they are going to bury him in secret. And nobody will grace the occasion. This is what they have done to other Biafrans. I want you to understand that when Obiozo, the former president of Ohaneze Ndigbo, when he died, he was buried in secret. Did you see where Obiozo was buried? He was buried in secret. That is the life they have chosen. And we are going to give it to them. I want to ask you, how many of you know when Obiozo was buried? He was shouting every day on social media, shouting, Fulani, pressing him like remote control. All of them, we don't want Biafra. We want Igbo. We want Igbo nation. He died. And upon all the name he created for himself, ambassador of Nigeria, this former ambassador, this one, all those names were.
Le saviez-vous? L'écoute de contenu audio dès le plus jeune âge.
Manipulated him, used him against Biafra people. He died. He was buried in secret. Is that the kind of life anybody want to live? What you give to other Biafrans, we will give it to you. So we are going to use that as an example. You see Okwadike that died. Any day they fix burial for Okwadike, we will lock Anambra down, except they bury him in Abuja. And at the end of the day, Okwadike will be buried in secret. Go and mark today's date. We will, you see this, even at your death, we will make sure that you take your own portion of evil in the grave. You will take it to the grave. How can you live such life? You live all your life, you become a former governor, this, that, and then after that, when you die, you contributed in killing Biafra people, you've supported the genocide against your own people, and you think you are going to enjoy your burial? Never. We are going to use every mechanism to make sure that those killing and committing genocide in our land pay for it. Look at what is happening in Kaduna. They bomb the villagers and they come and start apologizing. This is not the first time. This is not the second time. This is not the third time. This is the fourth time within 2 years. They bomb innocent women and children. And this same bombing is happening in Biafra land every day. In Imo State, to be specific. Imo State, they have been bombing us until we have anti-aircraft to fight them. How many of you in international community today knew that Biafra Liberation Army have anti-aircraft? You don't know that. You don't know the reason why you are not seeing them throwing bomb and killing women in Imo State. It's because of our anti-aircraft. We have anti-aircraft. And we're using it on them. Whenever the aircraft come to bomb Imo State, we fire anti-aircraft. And they will run away. Even this morning today, 17th day of December 2023, the military, Nigeria Air Force came to Imo State to bomb. We shot at them and they left. This has been going on every day. Every day they come to bomb. We face them because we have the arms, we have the ammunition, and that's what we'll continue to have until we are going to upgrade. In 2024, Biafra Liberation Army will upgrade. Our upgradement is going to shock the world. So my people, what we are doing in the government of Biafra in exile and in the homeland is to make sure that no Biafran will die for Christmas. Because everything they want to do is to make you come home and they kill you.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back as you done watch and listen to waiting in talk for this particular video. I beg, this one I want make you drop your own opinion for inside comment section. For wetin talk and wetin be your own opinion, may you let us know for inside comment section, because we wan know. We go talk about this video, and after this video we go still come outside come read that the comment section, come tell our people the message wey they go send. If una say this one is good for una, no wahala. If una say this one no still good for una, may una let us know for inside comment section. Okay, my people, try to share this video. We will see you for the next update wey we go drop. May you make sure say they follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important. Thank you so much for watching. We'll quickly catch you up for the next video.